Hey, we're back here with our inequalities and how to solve and graph them. Today we're going to be working on the graphing part, and I thought we'd start off with what do we do when we have each symbol. So we have the greater than or equal to sign, and we have the less than or less than or equal to sign. So these will show you which way on the number line you'll be graphing to, and should you include the number that the equation has, or should you just leave it blank. So there's on the number line, once you if you know if it is equal to or not, this is how you show it. You either have an open circle, which means that does not include the number. That number is not, you cannot use it for the equation, or it will not go, the equation will not be true if you use it. And then there's also the filled in circle. That means it can work for the equation, and it could work and be a true inequality, So after, like, let's say it was like 3 or something, or -3 and then 3. Sorry. So let's just say it was 3 and -3. If it was for, like, let's say 3. So if it was, let's say, less than or equal to. Let's say that. So you'd create a circle around it, and then since it's equal to, you'd fill in that circle. And it doesn't have to be as big as mine. I'm kind of working on a small surface. So, and then to show that it can go behind 3, like less than 3, all you have to do is draw a line on the number line. And make sure you include the arrows, so you know that it goes past what's on the number line as well. So it's until eternity you use it, or until eternity numbers, whatever behind 3 you can use. Okay, so I have 4 equations that we're gonna solve. So x plus 3 is greater than or equal to, let's change the color, greater than or equal to 10. So let's say we have our number line here. I'm just going to start off with 0. And so the answer for this one, because we solved it last time, is x is greater than or equal to 7. Alright, so to save time, I'm just going to put 7 here and -7 here. You can put more numbers in, to save time, I'm doing that. So, because of this greater than or equal to sign, we are going to go to 7 first of all, and then because it's greater than or equal to, we're going to fill in that circle. And so because it's greater than 7, you go and follow the line here. You go and follow the line and draw all the way over. And so that's how we solve that equation. Because we're mostly focusing on this equation right here, and not so much this. Because we want the solved equation, not the one where you have to do so much work. Okay, so now we have our number line, and our equation is 6x, or x minus 6 is less than change color. Less than 13. Okay, so we're going to start off with 0 again. And so the answer for this one is x is less than 13. Or no, not 13. X is less than 19, sorry. So, again, to save time, I'm just going to put in the 19 and then the negative 19. So, we're going to go to our number, which is 19. And then there's no equal sign there, so we're going to leave the circle open, saying you cannot use this for the equation. And then we're going to pull the line to the left because it is less than the 19. So whatever x is, the number has to be less than 19, otherwise it will not be a true statement. And it cannot be 19 either. So that's how we solve that one. And then let's see. Next we have 2x 2x is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so x is less than or equal to 8. Okay, so our final equation is x is less than or equal to 4. So we got our number line, 0, and our arrows. The arrows just show that it goes up forever, guys. And then we're going to put 4 and negative 4. Okay, so we're going to go to 4, circle it, and because it's equal, we're going to fill in this circle here. Okay, and then it says less than. So the way I remember this is whatever way it is pointing, I'll follow that. So I'm going to go to the left because it is the arrow of the equation. This right here is pointing left. So, and then that's that equation. And that's how you graph that one. So I have one more. X divided by 2 is greater than, here, I'll change the color, is greater than 4. And 4. So x is greater than negative 2. So we're going to put our number line as 0 and arrows. Okay, so because it's negative 2, I'm going to put my 2's, 2 and negative 2. And so we're going to go to the answer, which is at our negative 2 spot. And then it doesn't say it's equal to. So we're not going to fill that circle in. Circle, bubble. Okay, so, and then the inequality says to go right. So that's what we're going to do. And then mark our arrow to show it goes on forever, no matter what. That's what the equation could be. Or inequality, sorry. So, that's how you guys solve an inequality and how you graph it. If you didn't know how to solve an inequality, I got a video on that. Yeah, so hope you guys know how to graph an inequality now. See you later.